Hey guys, welcome back to Installer's Assistant. My name's Marty and today we're doing a bit of a mod. I'm currently sitting in the back of a 2006 Honda Odyssey RB1, so that's the Australian model, and the rear light bulb in this casing here has stopped working. So instead of just changing it with a normal bulb, we're going to swap it out for an LED bulb, which is a bit better power efficient and much brighter light. To do this, all I'm going to need is my trusty 4140 Pry Tool, which if you don't already have one, you can find a link in the description to how to get one. And all I want to do is pop it into the bottom edge along here. Now, basically between the lens and the plastic, give it a bit of a push, so it hasn't gone very far, and then twist it out. Same at the other end. Okay, so all I'm basically doing is prying in about here and popping this out from the notches. Alright, I've got the switch in the off position. We'll just pop out the old bulb. Might need a bit of coaxing. Well, I can see why this one doesn't work. This bulb has definitely seen better days. Alright, now LEDs, there's a positive and a negative side, and very rarely will they ever tell you which one it is. And even if they do, there's no way of knowing up here which one is positive and negative. I could get a meter, but I'll show you a much simpler way. Turn the switch on and hold it in place. If there's no light, spin it around. And there we go. So I know that that's the correct way around. I can turn it back off again. Pop my new LED lens in there. Beautiful. Grab my original filter. And we're done. And just like that, we have a replacement bulb converted to LED. Okay. Enjoy guys. Again, thanks for watching. If you like what you see, please subscribe and click on the notifications button and you'll see more videos as they become available. I welcome any comments or suggestions. Feel free to write me and I'll reply when I can. Thanks for watching.